Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Story time! Oh, they get trick a joke at story time. So what you know, see? I have a friend that I love dearly to my heart, my soul, and my body. I'm gonna tell you guys about an experience with her. So it's like one day I'm there, man, I'm never have nothing for do. I'ma say, G, me a come link you. So she say, yeah man, forward pan the ends man, and me alone there, re. So it's like me did there, and we reach, cause it's like my friend and me, like we do pay foolishness together. We always do pay foolishness together. She like my backbone them time, they like literally my backbone. Let me explain to you guys why I said she was my backbone. I remember one time I was sick, like I was extremely sick, and my friend came to see me. Like it was a Sunday. I was supposed to be washing, but because of how I was feeling, I could not wash, and I was feeling drained, like really drained. I couldn't wash. And the truth is, that's when I find a friend where we take your underwear, put them in a bath pan, and wash them with them hand, rinse them thoroughly, pin them out, and is proud of doing it. That is your friend. That person is your friend. And you must not try to mess up a relationship like that, because I know enough girl out the road right now. I gotta do them type of something. Them not ask Jesus that. Enough girl I road right now, them not look for you certain way. You sick them call your phone and say, lad girl, you can't sick, sir. Alright, when I get better, you make me know. I saw them go on. And then I have the little friend, and when they call them and say, yo, sis, me sick. Alright, you want me carry some soup for you? Like, you want me follow you got a doctor? You want pills? Like, you got some real ass friends out here. And then we have to learn how to differentiate the fakes from the ones that are going to ride with y'all forever. And that's just, it is what it is. It's just a sad truth. You check? And that is how I know that girl was my best, like, I want I'm a good friend them right now. We hardly talk now. And it's not because we have a feud or no. We just don't talk because we're in different worlds right now. Like, she got married, she have a baby. She's trying to build her empire. And I'm trying to build my empire. It doesn't mean that we're not friends. We're still friends. We're still close. It's just that, like, the time that we used to have to hang out, to, like, talk, to stuff like that, we don't have it. But now and then we give each other a call. And when we call each other, we always on the phone for like an hour or more, still gonna chat pay things, and yeah, so I'm a friend. So anyways, I'm gonna stop boom now, and my friend too, like, and whenever I'm if I'm in a little situation right now and I don't want to sleep in my own bed, me can call my friend and say, me I come at your place, come crash, and she's like, girl, oh you there, me think you done reach already. She's that type of person, like, she always have my back a certain way, and I'm finna always have her back too, period. Like, I remember another time, me can't just give us an experience with that girl, alright? Remember one other time, me and her the Mandeville, and she's mad vex, and me I say, yo, what happened to you, bro? And she's like, yo, one cat in the round this side, the cat working a floor, yeah. Cat working a floor, and yo, the bee look my boyfriend, and and me I say, what? Yeah, girl. You know me and her do, we start the girl. Yeah, me and my friend start the girl, who vex. Me and my friend start the girl. We go around our workplace, and we are peep through. Cause if you don't know the floor set up around a bank house, around a Willow Gate or Mandeville, you know say, like, the little window part, the little glass part, the so saying, I actually go in at the store if you see in there, you can take a little time and peep in. You want to see me and my friend like two peeping times, see we are? So we are go through, and I saw we are peep around corner, and I saw we are peep, and I saw we are I saw we have people on God up for the girl in his door, The girl work there, we don't want to eat it about you, we don't want to eat it, we have people until me say, yo, me are going there, no, me are going there, because I'm afraid of no girl, I'm going there, no, master. And I look on the girl face, and me look on the girl, and the girl look on me, look on the girl, and me look on me. Yeah, me try, I should have phone there. And she say, remember what she did tell me, because I remember I press a long time, remember I press, God done. So she tell me how much for the phone, and I say, in here, I look conversation, I look for the girl, and she want to chat to the girl, for feel out, girl, for see how girl stay and something. When me and her, me and my friend, come back out and me tell my friend the girl say something. And my friend say, alright. So you see, cause we eat the girl, but my friend just, I don't know. I think my friend is kind of intimidated by her in one way, because them time they were kind of young too. Them time they were really kind of young, and we did just want the girl to say something so we couldn't fight her. But she never does something, she never did nothing. Cause we did the all We left in go about business, you know. And then when the girl left work, you know, we are walking and my friend said, Lord Jesus, look who in front of her. When we look up at the girl, we start walk up fast. Yeah, we walk up fast and go close to her. Cause now we want you to see, you know, cause we want you to see my friend, for say something to my friend. Cause me I say, probably should have put 1 and 2 together. When she see me, I me come in, I saw her come chat to her. And then she see me and my friend, she say, oh, probably I'm a friend, send her, so probably she don't come to me. But the girl never look at us, and we did feel we. Me did feel a way. I don't know about my friend, but me did feel bad. Cause me I said, this girl name not look pan we, if you make we get ignorant or nothing with that girl. Nah, mess the girl not pay with no mind. Yeah. So them, some of them used to do with my friend, fool and idiot. Yeah. Fool and idiot, yeah. There was another time, you know, when my friend, she have a nice boyfriend, you know, love the man. Love the man. But I was telling you who the man be, you know, because I don't want to drama in them life or whatever. But anyways, we can talk his story because it's a true story. So, the man now, like, the man they depend him for a Cynthia come up. So it's like, me and I did uptown now, but when police now, everybody's supposed to know this an idiot police. So we look everybody. One brown, thick, ugly one, yeah, look everybody. The police got a boom. The police got a boom. The police are appling on my teeth. The police got in my braces. The police got a boom. And the police call me and the police are saying, I wish pa we there. You want to go have drinks if you come with him. And we are saying, no sir, we not come no way. But the thing is, we already the uptown. But fear our boyfriend now did I use him mind pa we come and tell we say him they are senti, but them time that we uptown. So it's like the police car pull up our foot. So the police car pull up our foot now. Fear our boyfriend across the road and watch it all. But we never know because we feel like him they are senti. But the best thing about it is we never too did interested for going the policeman either. But if we go in our car, me hell no. Car boyfriend crazy, you know, cause him love her, him did love her, well, him love her, cause it's sure. Him love her gone to bed, you know, man. Me I tell him love her gone to bed, you know. And we never go in the car, cause I say, brother, like, nah, go with the pan with them, right now. Nah, go with them, yeah, man. And we make them go with them, I go. And me and my friend never go in the car, and the man call her same time, and I say, oh, so you're gone in a police car, and we frightened out of the world, cause we are say, gone in a police car, like, bro, all if we do gone in a police car, how you know that? And then him start cuss her and I go on the most way him done on him this and that. But we never go in the car. Him just did I try to feed her to see if she could tell lie on herself. Him that try use reverse psychology on her them time there. So it's like my friend now did start ball cause she start lose her head cause she love the boy and the boy love her. And then me the idiot in the middle. Don't know if you do kind of my mind me vex cause me I say yo and me the police call. And to me never want to go with him cause me and my friend are roll and me never like the guy. I honestly never like him. And I don't know why I never just stop call my phone. And I'm told me tell him say Ray, him just always a call cam. I was a call cam with his squad them to like if feel like three friend them did them I go like change my answer to yes. I can't bother. So me and my friend did know boom bam bam and it's like the nigga have cuss and I go on the most way and me I tell him, you know, yeah. And me have to take the phone and try calm him down and I talk to him on the phone for around 3 hours, legit 3 hours. I'm on the phone with the man. I try to tell the man say, I know she and me, the youth did a knock pan and me I show the youth say no, like me no want go did this so Ray. And one heap of something me I tell him, you know, brother, so come she and him end up deal back, you know. There was another time, you know, when I feel extremely stressed out. Extremely stressed out. I'm going to call my friend and I say, sis, you're right now. I feel like kill myself and I'm stressed out, dog. And she said, which part you there? I said, I don't know. In a two are she that. And she come and me and her going and one old car and we sit down and we ball. Brother, the two we sit down at the old car and we ball. And me lay my burdens upon her and she lay for her burdens upon me. And me I tell you, say, you see that cat there? A real G. Me not tell no, a real G, brother. Catty they a real G, my nigga. Me not ask Christ. Me lay my burdens upon her. She lay for her burdens upon me. And I subbing was to that girl, they are my friend. Let me go into the sweetest joke. No. The real story when I started from me telling you no. I'm just going to some experience so we understand how good of a friend she is to me. Oh, me and her them time because you know them time nobody not to look for who I wear for clothes from who I wear. We used to wear each other clothes. Me used to call her and say, which part you there? Me I come down your yard and me want one blouse. And she would call me and say, alright, when you come carry one pants. And that's how we used to switch up clothes. We go for her yard and somewhere me like and she somewhere she like at my place. And me give she that and she give me that. That's how we used to go out with a sister, me I tell you. We still a sister, but them time that we used to act like we are real sister hombre as God live it right here. So, I legit have a good friend And that happens too sometimes. We always find good people in our life. We always find some good friend and then mess it up more while for foolishness. Cause me not even know why me and my friend not even talk more well. It's just that I get antisocial and I get bipolar in one way. It's like, well, my friend them come around me. You know, me never met them. Me have somebody right to say with me in my house right now. I'm there on my phone and me not pay them no mind. And them a priest say, no man, the messy in a way. Cause dog you call me and your name not messy. But I know that. It's like more I just feel disconnected from the world. You know, even understand. So it's like me now, down on my friend, and then I get a message from my phone. No. Me never get a message from my phone. It's like my friend, me I go send them, I send everybody that story. Yeah. My friend goes up boom, and me and my friend did my friend I say, met me, my friend say, me boring man, what we fi do today? I say, me could trouble some people, me could like call some people and cuss them. So my boyfriend at the time phone the ring one day and the number where they come in, me did see it and me realized who the person be. So the person did that one girl where Ibanar, you know, I do them thing and so. And then, you know, they just feel so tormented. Hear me to my friend, me could call her and trace her. Me could call her and trace her because she too outside. Oh, and then the girl, my boyfriend at the time, baby mother. Yes, I did him baby mother. So, me no gonna pick trouble with the baby mother because we have credit and we have phone and we have a different vice. When my vice, we say make a trouble her. Sweet as joke. We call her. So we call her. We start cussing her and we say, hey girl, anyway we see you, we're gonna beat you up. If you want, you can come to Mandeville right now so we can fight you. Because we don't know so when you're young and them, something that people do. Call people and tell them if you come like that say, me they have captain's breaking when you come to captain's breaking so we can fight you right now. You know what? Them something they have for pitney, them something they have foolishness. Like we can't even believe some used to the foolishness like that sometimes. Ladies, don't do it. It's crazy. It's pointless in a sense to just make it look small. Texting a girl over a nigga makes you look small. It makes you look so small. But at the end of the day, nobody knows how they will act in a situation because me do that. Me text a girl over my man and say, yo, look here, you need to back off. You need to back off. Okay? Yeah. So I go so boom now and we call the cat and we are cuss the cat like a dog and I tell the cat say, girl, kill you now man. Yeah. We are cuss the cat and I tell the cat say, hey, move and go. Yeah man, we are run with the girl. We go so boom now, you know me G. We go so boom man. It's like we did the thing and we are made the cat and we say, yo, but just want to beat her up because you know me feel away now. And then the cat get her best friend the phone because we are cussing about that Tamara cuss. And then me and Tamara laughing. We laugh. Lord God, I call my friend name. But anyways, we can't call my friend name because true story, yeah. So me and Tamara did it and Tamara laugh out Helena man. And me I say, Tamara, tell him this, Tamara. Tell him say this and Tamara tell him that. And Tamara tell him this and Tamara tell him that. And Tamara tell him everything. And me tell him but Tamara mouth hot. Give her the sweetest joke. After me and Tamara done cuss the girl, you know. I would feel like everything done, you know. Me and Tamara didn't know. Lie down and chat and a laugh. Me the pan the ground and beat the ground, you know, man. Because Tamara mouth hot and Tamara tell him something, you know. Yes, so when Tamara did and Tamara chat and a go on, me the pan the ground, you know. Me literally a ball, you know. Me done ball pan the ground, you know. Me balling. Because this is one of the funniest thing me ever seen a long what. Me laugh till my ball, brother. When me look to backside, me see my phone start ring. When we answer the phone, you know guess is who? Guess is who? My boyfriend mother. Call. And I say, hoy, you not gonna allow my son baby mother alone, you know. Call me with F monkey phone, you know. And if you don't allow my son mother alone, you know. If you don't allow my son baby mother alone, you know. I make she lose the baby, you know. Murder the whole out, you know me a who girl. If you don't want to fight me, fight, you know. Me say, the woman go out with herself, you know. Me the big idiot now, crush like pumpkin. Me start ball. The laugh turn upside down. Me start ball. Because me I say, so I saw this a woman, I love this a girl, why she go come call we both her. Me feel like we and guess so I couldn't even curse nobody. Me can't say nothing because I never me make the call. Remember I know I supposed to people call her cuss her about her boyfriend and tell her if you love him or whatever. Or about her boyfriend. But me now could never call back and say, oh I did me because them are gonna know say Lord God well if them pick up them probably are gonna know say I mean but I mean I care me a big woman no who business. But yeah, like them are gonna know say I did me, so me have to suck it up like a big girl, like me no know what go on, like me no know nothing. When me look at my boyfriend, I send text. Hey girl, me know you. Hey girl, stop telling lie on me. Hey girl, stop calling me name, you know. Hey girl, you know man, yo, me I tell us how we upset everybody's soul, but the truth is, I was the one that was hurt the most because probably her my boyfriend and his baby mother did make up back. I don't even know because at the end of the day, like their parents, you know, have the same child, and me now did feel some type of way because the only reason I did kind of feel some type of way too because his mother did call and him didn't start messaging and stuff. Come here and say, oh, so the family actually cares about her and probably me mess up the chance of actually being together. Cause that's how I am. I have a big heart. If me love you and me realize say there's somebody else that you love more than how you love me, I'm gonna make you. Me make you go on. Me gonna make you go on to them because you can't force somebody to love you. You can't ever force somebody to love you, and that is one of the worst things that you can do is force somebody to love you. You don't do it. You don't force people to love you. Leave people alone. But I'm going to say I'm going to leave them alone one time, but it's going to take time to sink in here that it's not you. And whenever you realize that it's not you, it's going to be so hard for that person to gain back your trust or gain back your love. So people, if you don't want somebody, just be blunt about it from in the beginning when God created heaven and the earth. Talk the truth. Amen? Can I get an amen? Amen? Talk the truth and done. Guys, remember to watch the video to the end. Do not skip the ads. I don't know how it goes. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching Story Time today with me. I hope that you guys tune in for another one. Remember to share the link. If you enjoy the story, share the link so somebody else can watch it and have a laugh. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't keep it to yourself. Yeah. Me love on a bad. Big up.